Speak sponsored by rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 85% on prescription drugs. rxcardclub.com. Nutritionist shares 10 habits to follow this year to stay healthy. Cleanoutfridge. The text provides 10 lifestyle recommendations to adopt in the new year for better health and well-being. 1. Stock up the fridge with healthy foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole foods, instead of junk. 2. Increase running to boost mental clarity and mood. 3. Eat more prebiotic and probiotic foods to support gut health. 4. Practice journaling daily to better manage emotions. 5. Aim to sleep early to balance cortisol levels. 6. Walk at least 10,000 steps per day to reduce metabolic disease risks. 7. Start the day with healthy fats like nuts, seeds, and eggs. 8. Include more protein-rich meals for better muscle strength and appetite control. 9. Incorporate weight training in your workout routine. 10. Write down your goals daily to stay motivated and committed. The recommendations focus on making small, sustainable changes in diet, exercise, and lifestyle habits to achieve long-term health goals. rxcardclub.com. Get a free prescription drug card and save up to 80% on prescription drugs. Less than /speak.